actually doing some labelings right now. Labeling my candles, creating labels. Okay. So these are actually 13 ounce of wax in there. So I am going to use rubbing alcohol to clean it up. Let me see if I can tilt it down a bit. Clean off our jars when you want to put the labels. Let me see if I could share this on my YouTube platform. These are the new labels I'm making right now. Let me see Facebook. Quite a few, and then I am going to put some labels on the boxes. So the labels on the boxes a bit different. Let me see. If I could make sure we're live. This one I named it after. It just smells like the blend of fragrances smells like my home. Smells like my home, so that's why we're actually let's see what we could do here. Bum, 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 bum. And I make all my labels. So I'm going to show you, I have like the jumbo ones and I have the smaller ones. So we are going to do some cutting, and then I am going to I'm actually cutting these ones. Let's see. Hopefully I pronounce that properly. I'm just cutting that up. Trying to be as straight as possible. This one has a lot of notes in it. Let's see. I have quite a few of them coming. So basically what I do, I'm going to turn the candle this area where the wick is flat and then lay that down, and then I am going to give it a little wipe again. If I could find where I have my paper towel, I could show you. The jars are reusable, so I'm going to put that on. Try to ensure that it is straight right here. Hopefully the color is something nice on this. I'm hoping that it looks really nice on this candle. I see a little crookedness, Just have to make sure. I don't have a labeling machine. I do everything by hands. But again, gotta try to straighten it out a bit. I want it a little higher. Just put it like this and ensure that it is smooth. I don't like the fact that if there is no smooth, you know what I need? I need something to put on it and then just smoothen it out. So that is one for this one. And then I am going to design the box. Let me show you how the box looks. The box is the 8-ounce 3x3. So this is a 3x3. So I want the 3x3. Okay, I want the 3x3 on. Let me see, the 12-ounce. Okay, so this one is the, let's see how I could show you guys how I'm going to put this on the box. I'm actually downloading it right now. I'm downloading this one, then we're going to place it on a 8x11. Let me show you what I'm doing. So basically I'm going to open up a new 8x11, 8 by 8.5 by 11.5 by 11. Okay, or you could just put resume, whichever one. I'm not sure why it's not coming. What's the size of this one? Let's see. Resize. Okay, so that's the accurate size. So the one I'm just gonna pull it up here, fit it in the corner, and then I'm gonna look for the dimension. I think that is the correct dimension. I don't even know. 8.5. Let me get my measurement. I'm going to show you how I measure the box. So basically, this is the box I am using. I am going to use my measuring tape and measure the box. So it is, okay, I think that's accurate. I'm going to see, can this fit straight? No, I cannot get 4. I need to be able to get 4. So let's see if I sweep it around. 90 degrees. Swap it around. Looks like I could get only 3 labels. Oh no, that's not good. Only 3 labels, so I have to do something to save labels. I could only get 3. Is that the correct size even? Yeah. Oh no. I could only, oh no, it looks like I could only get 2 labels. No, I've got to reduce this a little bit more, because I need to be able to get at least 4 labels from this. I'll have to sacrifice, because your girl is on a budget. We're going to have to try to get this to fit 4 labels, because we gotta save. So this is the bottom here, this is the bottom here. I'm going to shrink to 3.6, let's see, 3.3 to 5 point, let's see, 3.4 to 5.2. 3.4 to 5. Okay, let's see this one. 3 point. Okay, 3.6 to 5.6. 3.6 to 5.5. Let me see, 3.6 to 5.5. Okay, I'm just trying, guys, to make sure I get enough label, because I cannot afford to lose. I want to save, not right. So this should give me good labels. Share. We're going to download it. Download. And then I'm going to print it and show you. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this more in the center because somehow my printer doesn't look like it prints the edges properly. I don't know what's wrong with it. I want to make sure the full thing. So let's go to download this again. And then see what it looks like. I've been downloading. The thing is, we want to ensure this is a smaller version for the smaller candles. So the box has the herbs around it and the film does not. So let's print this. We're gonna print. And we're printing. Yep. So while this is printing, we're gonna let a candle. Put the tissue paper here, turn the front, and then we put our label on. Oh, that label was put on fast. I wish I could guesstimate eyesight it very fast like this. So let's see the label, how it looks. Okay, so this is how the label look. Now I'm going to cut it. I am hoping that I got a good size label for my boxes. I want my products to look, I want it to brand a good brand. So I have to ensure the look I want behind my brand. Okay. So 13 ounce, and let me take the box, show you the box. So this is the front of the box. I'm going to put it right here. And then let's see. Okay, since I cut on it, I gotta And now you have a beautiful, some things it's got heated. Not sure what that sound is, but I heard a sound and just wanted to go check it out. So that's how this is. And now we have professional looking candles. Okay. When you're selling it for your customers, putting it in the box, when they put it in the box, it's gonna be a beautiful candle. And then the box is very big because they did not have the size I wanted, but this is how it would look. Okay. And then now for the smaller ones, I have some small boxes. So this is the smaller ones, and then I have some small boxes. Skip a box. And then I have the masculine candles to do. So quite a few things to do today. So this is a small box. Okay, so this is the front of this. I'm gonna take my label, just cut it up straight. So like this, then we would cut that up. Ooh, stuck already. Try to aim to get it as straight as possible. And then we close it up and we have a beautiful candle. So tell me what you guys think. And that is this candle line. I have a few other scents to make. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Does it look professional? Would you do this for your candle line? I'm just taking you guys behind the scenes. Okay, goodbye everybody.